FC here from RC Review, and today I actually have some really bad news. The RC Review YouTube channel, the channel I work on and we all know and love, was accidentally deleted by YouTube 2 days ago. In this video, I'm going to explain what happened, what I plan to do about it, and what you guys can help me do in this new endeavor. Unfortunately, it's not April 1. This is not a hoax. It really happened 2 days ago. I got an email from YouTube saying that my RC Review channel was now under a different name and under a brand account. And I did not understand it until I went to RC Review and there was nothing. All the videos were gone. The channel was gone. All the links in were gone. And it was just so puzzling what happened. What actually happened was RC Review was created under a very old Google account under my old employer in invenda.com, and it just existed that way for a while. And as that URL, that account was dying out, I transferred the ownership of RC Review from that Google account to my Gmail account, and that's how I logged in for the past couple of years, and it's been working fine. I'm the primary owner, but the old account was still an owner of RC Review, so shared ownership, so to speak. And I said, okay, well, at least you can access it under different ways. And but that Google account is so old that it got deleted. And on Saturday, June 7th, they finally tore down everything associated with that account, including the RC Review YouTube channel. So they deleted everything. And everything is gone. Everything is missing. 6 years in the making. All the links in, all the revenue that it generates, it's all gone. And it's my full-time job, along with a couple other YouTube channels. So it is pretty devastating news. So that's where we're sitting at. And the effect of it is it's my full-time job. It's loss of income for sure. And you know that channel has a lot of views, a lot of 1,000 videos. So it generates income on its own. And kind of even if I didn't touch it, so that thing I think is going to be gone. And I have commitments to manufacturers, things like this beautiful little RC cars that I discover have been sent to me. Not too many, hopefully, and I have to publish videos on them. So I have to figure out how to make them whole, and even the old videos, people will be looking for it. So that's a problem that I have to manage with manufacturers. The other one is, every new video now I create, it's same effort, maybe even more, won't get the views now. It won't get the revenue. I don't even have a monetized channel in RC. So it is kind of a big cloud hanging over my head. But, I'm an optimistic person, and I know that you guys are willing to help me in this new endeavor. So that's what we're facing. So what is the recourse? What is the solution? The first one is plan A, of course, is contact YouTube and then tell them, hey, just bring it back. Bring back my channel the way it was yesterday or 3 days ago. But we all know the reality of this. If you've ever dealt with YouTube, you can never get a person. All you do is forms after forms. And I had a simple monetization problem a couple years back, and it took me 6 months to solve it. So it is, I'm not hopeful, is what I'm saying, when you have to deal with YouTube customer support or any kind of Facebook, any kind of mass social media. They just don't really care and don't have the manpower to deal with issues like this. But I think they have the bug in the system where they deleted the whole channel just because one of the owners of the channel was no longer there. Plan B is where we both play a part in it, is to rebuild the channel, and hopefully this where you're viewing this video is my new channel with a similar names, same logo, and but it doesn't have any content and it doesn't have any subscribers. So to be monetized, you have to have so many 3,000 subscribers or something. The old channel had 115,000 subscribers. But I plan to fill up the channel with. I have some of the content. It's on some old hard drives. I just have to recompile them and re-export them, and I should be able to have a little bit of content at least on this channel. And the key for you guys is to resubscribe. You're not subscribed anymore. There's no subscribers on this channel. Subscribe and spread the word. Spread the word to every social media that you know of, that hey, This is the new URL, new channel, and you have to resubscribe and help me kind of grow this thing again. So, view the content and then comment, and that's actually really important. View it till the end and then make comments and share it with other folks. So we'll see. We'll see what happens here. This is a big one. I started with a TRX4. This is D1RC, but 6 years ago it was just a kind of an accidental discovery that I had, where hey, I can share the reviews of these things, upgrade them to death, and really share the love of RC. So I want to keep doing it, and it's not going to be easy, but we'll see. With your help, maybe we can make a go of it and keep the RC review fire alive. Thanks a ton, everybody.